up? It's your girl Samira. In this video, guys, I'm going to give you guys some tips on how you can stop the greed, the fear, the anxiety, and all of this emotional roller coaster emotions in Forex trading. All right, so let's get into this video. But if you haven't already, you already know what to do. You have to either like, comment, or subscribe to your girl's channel because what? It is free, F-R-E-E. And if you haven't already, guys, go ahead and give your girl a follow on Instagram. But let's get into it.
What's up? Hey, yo, Ren, turn that up. She said, show me some affection.
As you guys know, trading psychology is about 80% of what is going to happen in the market for you. Yes, you heard me right. Your emotions in Forex trading will literally either blow your account or profit your account. And I know you guys are tired of blowing your accounts if you are watching this video, because once upon a time, I was tired of blowing my 10 accounts, okay? I blew about 10 accounts. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. And I was sick of it. So I know you guys are sick of it as well. So I'm gonna give you guys some tips and some things that I did to help me, you know, just slow down that emotional roller coaster and just become a very calm and, you know, sensational trader, all right? So number one, guys, do not force the market to give you money, all right? Simple as that. Think about it as if you went to your job, you know you're supposed to be getting paid every 2 weeks, but on the first day of work, you come in, you expect a check, knowing that you get paid in a week or two, all right? That's just like how the Forex market is. Okay, the Forex market is very, what's the word? It's very unknown, okay? It's an unknown market because you never know what the market can potentially give you. You may one day get $50, you may another day just get $3, okay? But be grateful for everything that the market gives you, because the market could take what they gave you plus your account, okay? All of it. All right, and they don't have no worries, no concerns, no regrets, no nothing, because you cannot call nobody, you cannot call corporate, you can't call nobody to get that money back because it is gone. All right, you risk that money, you already said that you're able to lose this money. They ain't got nothing to do with that at all. So number one, know that the market does not have to give you money into your account. All right. Number two, wake up early and get into the market. Wake up early and get into the market, guys. The market is moving super fast and super beneficial in the morning, all right? I would say from 3 a.m. Yes, you heard me correctly, 3 a.m. because I know a lot of you guys be out clubbing until 2 a.m. It's all right to get home and get on that screen and make some money too. Make that money back that you spent on them shots, all right? From 3 a.m. to 8 a.m., guys, that's where that money is making. I get up from those hours and I make the most money between those hours. So from 3 a.m. to 8 a.m., I suggest you getting up and get into that market, all right? So get up early and trade, okay? Number three, before you get into the market, guys, make sure you have some great, nice, soft, calm, meditating music, all right? Put you some Sade on, put you some nice jazz music, something that will calm you, something that will relax you and put you in a good mood. You know, if you have to pray before you trade, go ahead and do that. Do your meditation, you know, talk to yourself, say positive affirmations, say I am the best trader, I will make $100 this week, I am a profitable trader. Say all of those nice, warming and positive affirmations to yourself before you get into the market. Just make sure that your mind and your emotions are stabilized and balanced. You don't want to go into the market with a horrible attitude or just a weird shift in your emotions, because you're going to take it out onto the market And the market has no emotions. The market has no heart. The market will, okay, you trying to do that? All right, baby, I'm gonna take all your money. The market has nothing to do with what you got going on in your life. Okay, so make sure that you go into the market with such a positive mood. Okay, never go into the market angry or sad, because you will start to do revenge trading. And what revenge trading will end up getting you is blowing your account and being even more mad. And that's something that we don't want to do. And it's just not healthy, guys. It's not healthy to keep blowing accounts. Like, it's not healthy. So stop thinking it's healthy, because it's not. All right, it's time to change that. Okay, so that's number 3. All right, number 3, make sure that you have a nice quiet room and you're just listening to some really good music that just calms you and just makes you just a great person. And I know you guys have that music, okay? So go ahead and do that. Number 4, guys, number 4, make sure that you actually analyze the charts before getting into the market. Make sure that you analyze the whole time frames and the whole chart itself on whichever pair that you're using, okay? So that you can make your money the right way and not having to blow your accounts, okay? So do that, all right? Number 5 is the most, the number 5 is so dear to my heart, because I used to be like this, guys. Number 5, make sure that you are confident in your action in the market. Make sure that you're confident in the trade that you place, whether it's a buy or a sell. Do not ever get into the market doing a buy and a sell at the same time for the same pair. That is dumb and it's not going to help you, okay? You need to get in confidently with that one buy or that one sell, okay? Be confident in what you are about to select. Also, you may sometimes get into a drawback position on the price line that you entered in at. Understand that the market will turn around if you are confident in what you see. It's not going to always be in the blue when you guys get into the market, especially if you do a market execution, okay? If you do a market execution trade, do not think you're about to be automatically in the blue like you're making money. No, you could be in the red, but also be sure that you're leveraging your account appropriately. So if you are in the negative red, it's not where it's blowing your account or really hurting you. Okay, so make sure if you have a $50 account, make sure you're only using a 10-cent lot size. Don't jump into the market with a 50-cent lot size and now you're negative $20. Because now I know that hair on the back of your body is probably raising up high and you're probably like, oh my gosh, I'm close to losing a lot of money. I only have $50 and I'm already negative 20. All right? So make sure that you are leveraging your account appropriately, okay? And make sure that you are understanding that when you get into the trade, you're not always going to be in the blue, okay? Trust in your trades, trust in patience, trust in time, because you guys always reach out to me and tell me the same exact stories, and it's so crazy. But you guys always reach out to me and tell me like, Samara, I just closed out of my trade and I seen that it hit my TP within a couple of hours. I'm so upset. Guys, it's just called patience. The market, Forex itself, is going to teach you patience, literally. So be confident in your trade and be confident in your pair, okay? Because you understand that pair. And that goes into number 6. Understand your pair. Understand that one pair, guys. You don't have to be a trader that has to trade multiple different pairs to make money. That is not the case with trading Forex. You can have one good Forex pair or one good indice pair and just trade that for the rest of your life because you know that pair and you like how that pair makes you money and etc. You don't have to keep bouncing to every different pair to make you money. And you don't have to listen to anybody else who is a Forex trader and take their pair trades, because you are a trader yourself and you should be responsible with your trades, and you don't want to go off on somebody who gave you a bad trade and now what happened? you blew your account, right? So we don't want that to happen. Never take any ideas, never take any trade ideas from anybody unless you have analyzed that market before getting into it. Do not go into the market blindly. That's number 7, guys. Do not go into the market blindly. Okay? You want to be cautious of what's going on with the market. Okay? That's your money. You are counting your money every day. When your job drops that check on you or that direct deposit, you counting up, you making sure your job had gave you the right amount of money. You're not gonna just be like, oh yeah, they're supposed to give me $500. No, you about to look through all the taxes, look through everything that, okay, this is what they took out. All right, yeah, I was supposed to get $500. Okay? Just like the way that you count your money and you're cautious about everything else, you need to be cautious about that in the Forex market, okay? Because at the end of the day, this is your hard-earned money that you're investing, and you don't want this investment to be just a waste of your time, because Forex can really, really change your life if you are determined to have it change your life, okay? It's just about consistency, all right? To end this video off, guys, I want you guys to know that with greed, you have to understand that when you make your money and it hits your TP, get out of the market. When you make your money and it hits your TP, get out! Get out! The market. Now, okay? I want you guys to remember this voice. When you start being in the blue and you see that you're up $20, get out. Get out. Get out ASAP. Now, I don't care if it didn't hit your TP or not. Just take your money and dip. Go. All right, just take your 10 pips and dip. Go. So with that being said, go ahead and get into that market and go ahead and use the tips that I just shared with you guys and become a profitable trader. And if you haven't already, guys, go ahead and go purchase that affordable beginner's course that I have placed for you guys, so you guys can get the information that you need to know, the information that you need to be a profitable trader in the Forex market. But that concludes this video, guys. If you haven't already, go ahead and please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel, because what? It is free, FREE, point blank period, and peace.